What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Jesus Coin. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I appreciate you all for being here. We did not find the low where I was hoping that we would find the low at the 618. It looked really good, right? If we put a line right there at the low itself, previous areas of resistance, finding support there, right at the 618. Like it looked nice. It felt right. We just didn't get any follow through, right? No volume came in, no movements upwards. And we dumped pretty hard with not a lot of volume, but more volume than we've seen really over the past week. So I should say the most volume we've seen out of the past week. With the way that it looks right now, I would assume that we move down to our 786, which is at about 707. We don't have to. We do have the cross here, this little cross on the day right now. The last time we saw a cross like this was on the weekly time frame, and that cross was our low, wasn't it? So I mean, who knows? That could bear good tidings for us all. But at this point in time, I do think we'll go a little bit lower. We're at about 7064 right now. I think we'll go down to 707, maybe just below there. The line that we really need to hold would be the 886 relative to this low to high, which is down at about 706267. Hold that line. We need to hold that line, man. I don't think that if we move down here that this would merit like a double bottom at all, because we already had our triple bottom down here. I think that would actually mean we do go lower, and that this hope, man, it got us again. It got us again. We got above the blue line. It just didn't work out. We got below it again. This blue line has been a pain in our ass, you guys. We need to get above it and stay above it. I will say that, you know, in respects to the blue line, this is the most consecutive days in a row that we've seen above it. Perhaps we are about to do something new. It does look like it wants to slope up, but time will tell, man. I really do hope that either this is the low. It's not where I would expect it to go. I do think we'll go a little bit lower, right, to 707. We're really close, but nearly like 10% away as far as a drop goes. I hope that line holds and we start to move up. I don't really know if I have anything else I want to say. We can look at the RSI. The daily RSI would suggest that we go lower as well. I know I said that in the other video on this day too when I was calling for the low. I looked at the RSI. I'm like, it doesn't look the best, but I was optimistic that because we were at that 618, man, that 618 is tantalizing to me. If we bounce right off it like that, it looks pretty good. But we really didn't even bounce like that. I was excited because of the day. We saw no follow through though. So unfortunately, it is what it is. The 4 hour does look a little bit bad as well. The daily and the 4 hour to me do suggest that we have lower to go, and that's okay. If I'm wrong on that and we find a low here, it wouldn't make sense from a Fibonacci perspective, but you know, Jesus Coin is a lower market cap coin, lower liquidity coin. A lot of people just hold it. We don't really trade it, right? So it might not respect the fibs as well. Who knows? But I know there are trading bots that are active in this, right? We've got the Jared from Subway wallet, and probably more than just that active in this. But I don't know if I have anything else I want to say, guys. I think I'm at the end of my ropes here. It wouldn't be crazy if we went a little bit lower. Let's hopefully hold that 70627 or 636, whatever that is, area. Hopefully we don't even get down there. We just hold 707 and then start moving up. The goal right now, the real goal that we have, is to reclaim the 618, right? Reclaim the 618, get above 7086. When we do that, the next goal is to reclaim the blue line. And after that, we just need a higher high. We do have higher highs right now. We do have higher lows. Yes, a lot of people are excited, and you know, it's definitely something to be excited about. But it's only a higher low so long as we move up, right? If we just keep moving down, unfortunately, it's just a weird consolidation phase that brought us to more downside. I wouldn't expect that. I really wouldn't expect that, but anything can happen. You never know. But time will tell. We'll see how it goes. I do inevitably expect Jesus Coin will see new all-time highs based off this move. I mean, the minimum expectation from the current price, I think, is like a 14x, a 15x. Let's see. Minimum expectation all the way up here. It's like a 13x. Is that right? I thought it was like a 14x. No, that's about right. Yeah. Oh, that is a 14x. Yeah, 1300. Yeah, that is a. So yes, that's right. Okay. Yeah, that's the minimum expectation. So, I mean, however much money you put in, not financial advice, but you might see it 14x over the coming months. It likely will be by the end of this year. I'm actually expecting. It's July now. I would expect by October, we're going to see these prices, if not sometime in October. But I got nothing else to say. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. I'm not worried about the drop right now. I'm not concerned, but there are areas that we need to hold. I think we will hold them. It just, time will tell. Definitely a good area to buy. Not financial advice. Definitely a good area to buy. I'm holding myself back from buying more right now. I've just got enough, man. I'm in like the top 320 wallets. I don't need more. I want more, but I should probably diversify into other things. I know, guys. I know you can't get enough Jesus. I know, but I feel like I've got enough. And if it drops substantially lower, I'll be happy that I didn't buy more, and then perhaps I could buy at substantially lower prices. But I don't think it's going to. I think I've got my bag. I've got my fill. So, anyways, enough about me. Take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.